Alright, the purpose of this video is to show you how to create a profile view and then create a proposed profile and we're going to create a surface profile first and then we're going to create a proposed profile. So I'm going to start by creating my profile view. I'm on my home tab here. I'm going to go over to the very center here. It says profile and section views. I'm going to select profile view at the very top here. I'm going to say create profile view. So it's going to ask me what alignment I'd like to use. You must have an alignment created first before you can have a profile view. So right now I only have one alignment and it's called alignment 1. So the profile view name, it's just going to use the parent alignment and the next counter, that's fine. And the profile view style is major grids and HTTP, that's fine. So I'm going to go next. I'm going to leave the station range as automatic. Basically it's pulling in all the stationing I have inside my alignment. Then I'm going to leave my profile height to automatic as well because I haven't associated this with a surface in specific elevations or a specific design profile yet, so it doesn't have any information to pull. So I'm just going to leave it on automatic so it'll change it automatically later. So now I'm going to hit create profile view down at the bottom here. And it's asking me to select profile view origin. The origin of the profile view is the bottom left. So I like to go up and right and then click and it creates a profile view for me. So now I have the view created. Now what I'm going to do is create a surface profile. And what the surface profile represents is the elevation of the ground along my alignment. The existing ground based on this my existing surface. So I'm still in my home tab here. I'm going to go over here to create design and there's profile. And the very first option is create surface profile. So then it asks me what alignment would you like to use. I only have one. And then it asks me what surface you'd like to use. Surface 2 is just a dummy surface. Matter of fact, I'm going to delete it right now so I don't get confused. So I'm going to delete the surface. I'm going to go back to create my profile, create surface profile. I'm going to use surface 1 and alignment 1. I'm going to hit add. So it's going to click that surface in there. And then I'm going to click OK. And it's automatically going to draw it in my profile view for me, right over here. Now you can see in my profile view that I don't go over, my elevation doesn't go over 160, and it doesn't go below about 100. And this profile is giving me a lot more space above and below that. So I'm just going to go in, click on the profile, select it, right click, and hit Edit Profile View Profile View Property, excuse me. So right now it's set the elevation range set to automatic height. I'm going to use user specified and set this to 100, and I'm going to set it to 160. I'm going to hit apply and OK, and now it's going to make my profile view a little bit more manageable. It's not so large. So there's my surface profile. That's what the ground looks like as you go along my alignment. Now this is just for, it's really well exaggerated. This is just for an example. Most typically you wouldn't have a profile that would be that have that much undulation or change in elevation. This is just to sort of exaggerate the idea. So now what I'm going to do is create a design profile to run along and sort of match this existing surface profile. So what I need to do is go up to the profile tool again and say profile creation tools. And the first thing it asks me is which profile view are we going to create this profile in, and so I'm going to click on this profile view here. So it's telling me that it's going to be along alignment 1. The name is going to be profile type and the next counter, and this happens to be a design profile for the profile style. So all that's fine. I'm going to click OK. And then this profile layout tools is very similar to the alignment layout tools. I'm going to go ahead and click draw in tangents. And I'm going to start down here at the bottom, and I'm going to click someplace in here, and then I'm going to click someplace in there, and someplace down over here. Once I'm done, I'm going to hit enter, and you can see it created a profile, and so it shows me the slopes. Obviously 16.49 would be way too much for a car. 3.63 would be not bad, and 3 down would not be as bad either, but this is just to illustrate the idea of creating a profile. The next step from here would be fitting vertical curves into this profile. Vertical curves are parabolic based for the most part. so we'd fit parabolic vertical curves into these two angle points here. I'm not going to go over that here just because I don't want to get you confused. If you've created you're doing your final project for my class and you've gotten this far, you are done with the profile section of it. You could insert curves if you'd like to mess around with that over here and the different curve options that you have. You're welcome to do that, but if you've got this far, you're complete. So that concludes creating a surface profile and creating a design profile in AutoCAD Civil 3D.